Hi guys, this video is about the Philips 908 cleaning the screen. It's an absolute nightmare to clean this screen because like when the screen's dirty you notice things like when you're watching TV, it's like a fingerprint magnet and you try and rub off the fingerprints with the cloth and all that, you have to end up cleaning the screen. I use these wipes. Don't get any smudges. So if you're interested in this TV, the 908 or the new one for 2020-24, the 909, make sure you wear gloves because you're going to get fingerprints. It's just nightmarish. This is like an excellent TVO. Google TV is quite fast, like really fast. It's excellent for watching movies on this TV. SDR, HDR, Dolby Vision. Films look amazing. The 909, it's even brighter. It's quite bright, this TV, but the 909 is 3000 peak brightness. Quite good in a bright room when the sun's like beaming down. Reflections are not too bad. Quite happy with this TV. I ain't even had it a year yet. It's just like cleaning the screen was like a nightmare, but apart from that, it's all kosher. I don't want to buy like an upgrade. I'm going to keep this TV for quite a while. Then I'm going to buy an upgrade. But it's all happy days. Kosher. Cheers guys, have a good one.